Hey everyone. Today I want to talk about custom agents. And custom agents are a great way for you to automate repetitive tasks that you may have to do as part of your job. So let's take a look at one of those types of tasks. So I'm here in AI Drive and I ran this request for our AI Drive agent. As you know, the agent is very powerful. We can search the web, browse websites, gather information. And here I did the type of intake task that happens a lot in many types of businesses, including law firms, but other types of businesses where you're trying to research a customer before you meet them or make them a proposal. So here I have a prompt that says, research this business, look for litigation, regulatory issues related to Costco, right? Let's say that this would be our prospect. So, and include all of these information. So, and you can see here that AI Drive went and searched the web, retrieved a lot of information and created this report here, right? So that's great. Let's say that I'm satisfied with this report. But I do this almost like every other week or every week. And I want to just have this being kind of like a template and just fire this up for other customers. So this is what you would do. Go here on the side, and where you see this little robot icon here, you can click on it, and that says custom agents, and you can say I'm going to create. And then it lands on this create custom agent here, and I'm going to say business prospect research agent. So just give it a name. And I'm going to go back and copy that initial prompt that provided the result that I wanted. And I'm just going to bring it to the new agent here. I'm going to say, you are an agent that focuses on, and I'm going to paste that text. Researching, right? Recent business developments, our same prompt that we used there. But I'm going to make it a little bit better. And here, instead of using Costco, I'm going to remove the name of that customer. I'm going to say a news coverage for prospects or customers I am interested in preparation for intake meeting, etc. And I'm going to say that after you create your report, save it in a folder. I'm going to call it prospect research. So this combines two things. AI Drive's ability to do web research, but also its ability to create new files and save them in AI Drive itself so that you can use them in the future. So I'm going to add that here as well. And we're just going to hit create, and we can now fire up that new custom agent. You can see the custom agent here on the side, business prospect research agent. Every time that you just come here, click custom agents, you can just click here and you start a new chat with this particular agent. So now you don't have to repeat yourself. He already knows what you want to do. And I can just say, create a report for Nike, right? And now it already has all the context. And the beauty of this is that as you do this more and more, you see that, I want to make a tweak here or there. You can keep on evolving that custom agent saved prompt to do more and more things for you. And this is a relatively simple one. And you can see already what it does here. It's using list folder to look for this folder and then seeing if we have any information on Nike on our drive itself. And then it's going to go on the web and do the research on the web after it does this. So this is the kind of the workflow to create these custom agents. And you see here now it's using Google search. It's going to do the research there. If you wanted to only search on the web, you can put that in the custom prompt in the custom agent. Or if you wanted to also search in specific folders in AI Drive, you can say that as well. So it's doing and running that report here. See what it's doing. And you can always click on these steps to get a little bit more detail of what's happening behind the scenes. And you can see that it's going to these web pages on the Nike website itself. And it's pulling all of this information from news sites as well, and investors page and so forth. So you can make these custom agents as specific or as generic as you may want. The other thing, and while it's doing the report here, I'm just going to share a couple more things. If you work with more people, you can sign up for AI Drive teams, and you can share these agents with other people in your organization. So let's say that there is a task that people keep on coming to you to ask for you to do. You can create and train a custom agent here, and then you can just say, let's see, this one here, click on the three dots, and I can go and share that. So here I can just click share, and then I can share with all of my organization or with specific people inside my organization. That's for AI Drive teams. So that's super useful. And they will be able to clone that agent if they want to evolve into something specific for them, effectively using your agent as an example. Yeah, so the report's coming out, as you can see here, and it includes several areas of importance here, so I can understand who I'm going to be meeting with, the prompt that we had. And so here's the whole report that he created. And you can see that he read a lot of different information that he downloaded from the web. And I noticed one thing here, that I don't think it actually wrote the report to the folder that we wanted. You can always ask the agent, did you write the report to the folder? And we'll see if he did or not. And then this is something that if you didn't do it right the first time, again, you go back and you make it more explicit in the instructions, right? Yes, checking to see if the folder existed, and that's creating the folder. And then what I would do here is, because it didn't do the whole task, I would go back to the agent here on the left, and I would edit the agent, and I would be more explicit. So after you create your report, you must always save it as a new document in a folder, in the folder prospect research, which now has been created by this first run. So now, next time you run, you will go and create that, because the first time I wasn't very explicit about what I wanted, but this is how you evolve the prompt. So yeah, so it's kind of writing that file after you created the folder here. So the next time I run this, it will do end-to-end. I wouldn't have to tell it to write the file there. So you can get very sophisticated. You can ask it to check to see if you already have a similar report in the folder, and then actually ask it to, if so, just tell you or go and do the research. Anyways, so this is a simple example of custom agents, and give it a shot. Thank you. Bye-bye.